So with that, hindi naman agad ire-record ni bangko na ayaw mo na magbayad kasi they can only do something legally or legal action against you or towards you kapag hindi mo na talaga sinasagot ang mga tawag nila, and that would mean na ayaw mo magbayad. Okay? So, saka lang magkakaroon ng mga ganong legal actions kapag they found out that you don't really want to pay your debt with the bank. Whether that is a credit limit debt or a personal loan. So, kailangan kapag hindi tayo nakakabayad, we have to make sure that you show them your intention that you want to pay. Kaya nga lang, you are financially struggling and try to explain. Ito palagi kong sinasabi sa mga previous videos ko. Be honest. Be honest with the bank. At pag tumawag sila sa'yo, accept the call. Kahit naiinis ka, natatakot ka,